Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to check TikTok bio link. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my TikTok application on my mobile phone, and then let's say that we found a post or a video on TikTok which contains bio link, and we're curious on how to check it. Wait, I'm going to open up this video. This video contains link, okay, link in bio to get the product, okay, and the link will bring us to this account's bio or this account's profile, okay. And as you can see guys, that there is a link on the bio of this profile, okay, and then I'm going to tap on that to open it or to check it. Okay, and we'll get warning from TikTok. You're about to open an external website. Be cautious and keep your personal information safe. I'm just going to click on open and let's see where this link bring us. I'm going to click on open. Okay, I think the browser cannot be opened guys. Okay, I'm just going to go back and try to find another link on TikTok bio. Okay, I'm going to try this one. Let's try this one. I'm going to go to this bio and I think it's the same. Wait, I'm going to find another one. Wait. Okay guys, I'm going to find it. Wait. Okay, for example, I'm going to open up this profile. Okay, I'm going to open the link. All right, and as you can see, we have 3 links on the bio. We have website, Instagram, and YouTube. And I'm just going to open up the Instagram of this account. Okay, and it will bring us to the Instagram app. Okay. All right, and I'm just going to go back to my TikTok. And okay guys, that's all the way to check TikTok bio link. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to the channel. Bye!